last day today for ASAP XD. ASAP 12.
2012.
ASAP 2012. And I just want to wish you all the luck. Ikaw na talaga. You have your own show. Kasama ko na ni Vilma, ni Nora, ni Mega. Ikaw na talaga. I can't think of anyone else who would be the perfect pop star to be placed in that position. Congratulations.
Hi Sarah, I am so happy for your new show and masaya ako dahil sobrang kang deserving sa show mo na to. And I hope to be part of it soon, and I'm just so happy for you. Sa lahat ng mga na-achieve mo, and good luck sa show mo, and dito lang ako palagi para supportahan ka sa lahat ng mga gagawin mo. I love you, Stars, and I hope to sing with you soon.
Hi, Sarge. Sarge. Naalala ko lang the first time kitang tinawag na live si Sarge. Hindi nalala ko sino yung Sarge. Well, ikaw lang ang tanging Sarge sa buhay ko. Sarge. Sobrang bilib na bilib ako sa'yo. And then, hindi lang ako, pati yung buong family na mga barkada ko. At ang mga mahal ko sa buhay. And I'm so excited that kakaroon ka rin ng sarili mong show. I think this is, parang feeling ko, matagal na dapat na nangyari ito ng show na ito. Congratulations in advance. I know that you'll do great, and I just pray that you'll be blessed with guidance in choosing the right songs, of course, and I pray that you'll be surrounded by great people, like-minded people na talagang who will make your production numbers talagang awesome, and more than anything, I pray that you'll be able to glorify God sa mga talents na binigyan. So you're already blessed. I'm excited for your team, for Gab, best friends there. I hope you'll have a great time. You will have a great time with that guy. So yeah, there you go. I hope you won't change, and sana one day makapag-guest ako sa show. God bless you, and we love you here. Sarge, you rock.
Hi, Sarah. For sure, mamimiss ka na karamihan dito sa ASAP 2012. Ang tagal mo rin namin nakasama dito at but we know naman na sobrang growth to for you na meron kang sarili mong show at magagawa mo yung mga hatong moves at yung mga malulupit mo at sobrang flash na performances mo at we wish you all the best and good luck sa bago mong show at sana tumulong sa ratings to. See you again, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I'd like to congratulate you on your new show. Definitely, mamimiss ka namin dito sa ASAP. But we know naman that we're happy because that's your own show. And we just wish you well and the best sa shows mo. Alam kong aabangan yan.
Hi, baby Sarah. You will be missed here, but I know that ASAP will always be your home. In the same way that ASAP has been my home for 17 years. Can you believe that? Sa 29 years na sinaselebrate yung anniversary ko this February, alam ko na babalik at babalik ka sa ASAP dahil talagang alam ko na iba ang pagmamahal mo para sa show na to. Ramdam namin yun. At sana nararamdaman mo rin na ganun din ang pagmamahal namin sa'yo. From all of the stars, sa staff, lahat naman talaga love na love ka namin. And you have really grown up in this show. We love you. We will miss you for a season. And sana mas marami pang mangyari sa career mo na talaga namang very, very deserving ka because I know how hardworking you are. Congratulations, Sarah, on your new show, and we will miss you. And come back soon!